Hi everyone, this is May Meow Meow and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine data or append data from multiple workbooks using Power Query Editor. So last time I showed you how to combine or how to append data from multiple worksheets into one. This time, it'll be from multiple workbook into one workbook, right? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be updated once I upload new videos. And share this video to help others. Right, so I've prepared three workbooks for this video. So I have the first, then the second, and then we have the third. As what you can see, I use the same table I used from the previous videos for appending or consolidating or combining. So this time I just separated it into three different workbooks. And because I want to show you that I'll be consolidating these three workbooks into one. Anyway, I have combined them into one folder. So it's actually stored in one folder which is named test scores folder. So it's important that we combine them into one folder. Also, we've already processed or transformed our data from the previous videos. So I'm not going to do that anymore because it's already transformed or it's a table. So we will have to skip that part. But combining this in Power Editor or combining the data into Power Editor, we need to make sure that our data is in a table. And this time we need to make sure that the table name on all of the workbooks are the same. So for this one, it's data. The second workbook, it's also named data. This one is also data. So again, prior to combining them into Power Query Editor, we have to transform or convert our range into table and name our tables the same across all workbooks. Okay, so now we're ready. Then this time, I'm going to create a new workbook. So I'm going to combine it into a separate workbook. So I have a new workbook, it's book 10, and I'm going to get the data or combine the data from those three workbooks. So let's go to data and from file, then let's go to from folder. So we'll just have to input our folder path, or we can click on browse and just select it. Select the folder, right? And then let's click OK. Okay, so as what you can see here, I have workbooks. So these are the workbooks, and I'll just have to combine. Click on combine load. Combine button on the drop down, select combine and load. And we'll just have to wait. And okay, so now we have the combined files. First file or sample file, it's actually the pattern that will be used for combining the data. So it can be the first, the third, or the second. Well, it is up to you. So let's just use first while I want to use the first workbook. Of course, select our table. So this is how it shows, or this is the content of our table. And let's just click OK. We can skip files with errors, or we can just, because we want to combine everything or all of the work. And click OK and wait for it to process. Okay, so it's already loaded, right? So now, if we are to So we have the source. This is where the data came from, the source name. So meaning it's the workbook name. Okay. So what's good here is that if we add another workbook with the same pattern or layout, and then say for example we can copy this. Okay. And say this is fourth. And save it. Then all we need to do is just to refresh our connection. This icon, and you will see we already have the fourth file in consolidated sheet or workbook. Okay, so that's how you combine multiple workbook or combine data from multiple workbooks into one. Alright, so on my next video, I'm going to show you how to use match function and index function. So comment down below if you have questions about Power Query Editor, and we'll continue exploring Power Query once we're done with all the Excel functions. Okay, I will see you on my next video. Goodbye!